Hello friends, it is so wonderful to see each and every one of you. Today's video is going to be super quick. I just have two really quick announcements and then I'll let you go. So don't worry, it's going to be quick. But let me tell you, stay around because these announcements are fantastic. So, announcement one, gonna get right into it. I am launching my own brand of coffee. I am so excited, been working on this for a while, trying to create some blends, some single origins that I've been roasting at home that I wanna release to you guys. Honestly, I'm super excited about this. Be on the lookout, it should be releasing by the end of October. Stay on the lookout on Instagram, there should be a post pretty soon in the next week or so about how you can sign up to be notified when the coffee releases. Guys, I'm really excited. It's gonna be really good coffee. It's gonna be at a very affordable price. And yeah, I'm just very, very excited. The second update is that I have released a Patreon and it is linked below. And if you don't know what a Patreon is, basically it is a fantastic way that you can support creators like myself that are trying to get started in an industry or with a passion. And it is a way for you to support them. There, as you'll see when you get into the website, there are multiple tiers you can do. Anywhere from $3 a month all the way up to $75 a month. And all of that money goes to me to help support this channel, to create coffee and tips for you. But the good news is that every single tier, no matter which one it is, there will be incredible rewards for you. Everything from one-on-one meetings with me, to Zoom calls, to free coffee, to discounts on coffee, to discounts on future merch. I'm really excited about this and I think it's gonna be a fantastic way to kind of kickstart what I have going. I would really appreciate any support. Like I said, even $3 a month, which honestly, less than 1 cup of coffee, will support me more than you could ever imagine. The link is below. But yeah guys, that's all I have for you today. It's gonna be really quick. Like I said, coffee is coming soon. Link below for the Patreon. Even if you can't really afford the $3 even a month, no worries. But if you're willing to at least share it with a couple friends, maybe we'll get the word out, get some people supporting, bring some new people into the channel. You never know. I would love that because I just want to build a community of coffee people that really just want to make good coffee, enjoy life, and drink coffee, honestly. And if that's what I create, then we're doing great things in life. Whether that's, where we're at like 115 subscribers or 10,000. Does not matter to me. I just want to create content that is around coffee for all of you. So as always, I love every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. And yeah, Patreon below. Hit it up. Just check it out. Even if you don't do it, just check it out for me. Much love. Bye.